To build your game, click on File, Build Settings, and then click on Build. But before we do that, we might want to configure some settings. First of all, you want to decide your target platform. Now in this tutorial, we're going to be building for Windows. If you want to build for Mac and Linux, don't worry, it's fairly similar to Windows, except it will just have different file extensions and folders and whatnot. But everything else is pretty much the same. So since I want to build for Windows, I click on PC, Mac and Linux standalone. I select the target platform as Windows. The architecture, I'm just going to leave it as x86. Next, click on player settings, and we're just going to change a few more settings. So the company name, I'm going to change it to my company. The product name, I'm going to call this my game. The version number, I'm going to call this 1.0. Now the default icon. Now I have this icon right here. It's just a YouTube logo. Now before you select this icon, you need to change it from normal to Sprite 2D and UI. Then once you do that, what we can do is drag the icon into the slot right here. Perfect. Let's see how it looks. It looks good. So let's click on resolution and presentation. Now you could keep it at a full screen window, but I'm just going to change it to windowed mode, and I'm going to make it a resizable window. Okay, that seems all good. The splash image. Now this is where things get interesting. I'm just going to move these out the way. Okay, so whenever you boot up a Unity game, you often get something like this. This is called a splash screen. So let's go and change some of the settings here. So you can change the splash style from light on dark to dark on light. Let's see how that looks. It looks a bit weird. Let's change the color. Let's just make this a cyan color. That's pretty good. Let's preview. That looks pretty good. You can change it however you like. You can add custom logos, background images. You can blur the background image if you like. It's very customizable, this. Okay, so once you've done that, exit out of the project settings, and then hit build. Now it will give you this folder right here, and I'm just going to create a new folder just to be organized and call this builds. And then inside that, I'm going to create a new folder and call this Windows. And then hit select folder, and then Unity will begin to build and export your game. There we go. That was actually very, very quick. So here we are. We have our folder right here, and we have the exe file here, and the game data and whatnot. So if we double click on the mygame.exe file, it should work, no problem. And if we walk into our cube, you can see you win display. And that's it for this course. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learnt a lot. Anyway, thank you for watching this course. That's all from me. Goodbye. Hey, do you like games? Specifically, marble games? Then Countertop Land is the game for you. 5 worlds, 20 levels, optimizable settings. Music made by yours truly. Apart from the music in this advert, yeah, that's actually from the YouTube audio library. And the graphics, they're pretty nice. All available for free. Download on GameJolt or play the browser version at this site right here. No, I do not have a domain name, so ignore this Netlify thing here. Don't actually ignore it, you still have to type it in your browser. I have nothing else to say apart from... Just get the game, alright? Just get it. It's a good game, okay? It's free! Yeah, and I just want people to play it, so I guess click on the link in the description below.